Good day to you all. Our alphabet is made up of two types of letters, the consonants and the vowels. The vowels have two sounds each, the short sound and the long sound. The short vowel sound for A is A, as in apple, and the long vowel sound for A spells its name, A. Today we are looking at letter combinations for long A sound. In words ending in silent E, an A gives us a long sound. In words like bake, game, late, sail, and steak. Let's use these words in sentences. Parents always bake cakes for their kids. Troy watched the game. The pupils were late for lessons. Liz bought shoes at the sale. The siblings fought for a stake in their father's business. AI for long vowel A, as in these words: bail, fail, gain, pain, and train. Let's use the words in sentences. He paid the bail to get out of prison. You will fail if you don't study. We bought tickets to gain access to the venue. The pain was so unbearable. The team will train every day until match day. AY to spell our long vowel A, as in these words: bay, day, clay, pay, and stay. And in sentences, the boat docked in the bay. The day started cool, then became warm in the afternoon. She needed clay to mold artifacts. I will pay my last installment next month. The children stay with their parents. You can also use EA for long A sound, as in these words: break, great, and steak. Pupils play games during break. We had a great day at the fair. The kids enjoyed chunks of steak at the party. Another combination is EY, as in these words: gray, pray, obey, survey, and they. And in sentences, kids must obey their parents. My hair is turning gray. The eagle missed its prey. I prefer doing a survey with clear objectives. Our cats mew when they need attention. Another combination is EIGH, as in these words: eight, freight, neigh, neighbor, and wait. Let's look at the sentences. I bought 8 bananas. The freight will arrive tomorrow. The donk's neigh was loud. Our neighbors are kind. And the weight of the books was too much for the young boy. EI spells long A sound in these words: beige, feign, rain, rains, and veins. Beige is my favorite color. Kids feign illness to avoid school. Blood flows through the veins. The jockey pulled the reins to control the horse. And the king's reign spanned decades.